Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. So let's continue our topic cells. Today we will discuss about the types of cells. Mainly there are two types of cells, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. What is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells is that prokaryotic, the difference is in this word only, is that pro means एब्सेंट एंड कैरियोटिक मीन्स न्यूक्लियस। इसका मतलब है एक ऐसी सेल जिसमें न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता। इट डजेंट मीन दैट दे डोंट हैव अ जेनेटिक मटेरियल, दे हैव डीएनए बट देयर न्यूक्लियस इज नॉट डिफाइंड एज इन यूकैरियोटिक cells. There are many aspects on which we can distinguish between cells. For example, cells can distinguish on the basis of their size. Mycoplasma, PPLO, these are the smallest cell, and on the other hand, the egg of ostrich is the largest cell. So, the size of cell may be in nanometers or may be in centimeters. When we talk about human beings, nerve cells are the longest cells. As you all know that our whole body functioning is dependent on the cells of the brain and they are known as nerve cells. So this is a very important point. You should know about it. So just note it down. Fine. Our next thing is cells also can differentiate on the basis of their shapes. Shapes means you have learned that shapes of cells are of different types. Rod type cells, cone type cells, comma type cells, these kind of cells are present in our body, but their functions are also according to their shape. For example, the shape of RBCs is the best example for the shape depending functioning. हमारी जो RBCs होती हैं उनकी शेप एक कनकेव लेंस की तरह होती है। वो क्यों? बिकॉज उन्हें ऑक्सीजन को कैरी करना होता है। हीमोग्लोबिन है जो हमारा, वो पहले से ही आरबीसीज पर अटैच है। उसका वर्क है ऑक्सीजन को अटैच करना अपने आप से और एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर पहुंचाना। फॉर इट्स फंक्शनिंग द सेल हैज एक्वायर्ड दैट टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर। सो नाउ कम बैक टू आवर टॉपिक and that is prokaryotic cells. Here some features of prokaryotic cells you have. For example, they can multiply more rapidly. It means their nucleus is very simple. It has capability to multiply its number with a high speed. So in a few seconds the bacteria and other single cell organism or prokaryotic cells can multiply themselves very fastly. The main characteristics of prokaryotic cell is presence of cell wall. Yeah, maybe one question has arisen in your mind that cell wall is also present in plants. Of course it's present there, but their feature is that in prokaryotic cells cell wall is also present. But there is always exceptions present in all groups. Here is also an exception present. Mycoplasma is a prokaryotic cell, but it does not consist cell wall. Okay, here if nucleus is present, that is not defined. There are some cells of prokaryotic is also their genetic material is seems like nucleus, but it is not actually a nucleus. It's just look like a nucleus. Here one important thing is that plasmid. What is this plasmid means? It means plasmid, this is a same to our DNA, but this is what? This is single chromosome or circular DNA. Its capacity or its ability is to replicate without help of our cell DNA. This helps bacteria to work in such conditions which are not familiar to the cell nucleus. Here in this picture you will come to know some parts present in a prokaryotic cell. This one is plasma membrane. What do you mean by plasma membrane? Plasma membrane is the outer layer of a cell. This allows any material to enter inside the cell or come outside from the cell. This function is dependent on the plasma membrane. This is nucleoid, not nucleus. There is a difference between nucleoid and nucleus. Nucleus contains nuclear membrane, pores and other things, but nucleoid contains only DNA, means genetic material. आप हमारी जो प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स होती हैं उनके साइटोप्लाज्म में उनका जेनेटिक मटेरियल रफली पड़ा रहता है, वो किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर शेप में प्रेजेंट नहीं होता, इसीलिए उसको प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स बोलते हैं. Here ribosomes are also present. Ribosomes also present in prokaryotic cell, but due to they have lack of membrane, that's why they present in both type of cells. Here main thing I want to tell you that prokaryotic cell do not have membrane bound organelles. Understood? I have already defined you this in our previous class, that endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex and other all membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell. Same here, there is no main organelle is present. Here this is plasmid. They have their genetic material also, but then also they possess a plasmid. This is their other features than a eukaryotic cell. Pili. What does this pili means? These pilis are helpful for the for gathering food for prokaryotic cell. जब prokaryotic cell अपने लिए food assemble करती है या फिर अपने आप को movement के लिए help कराना होता है तो pili उसमें बहुत help करते हैं. इसकी जो लेयर है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है जो, वो एक कैप्सूल से मिलकर बनी है. कैप्सूल का मतलब होता है सारी सेल्स को जब हम एक साथ बोलते हैं तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कैप्सूल, जो शेप प्रोवाइड करता है. यहाँ पर इसकी एक फ्लैजेला भी है. ये हमने एक बैक्टीरिया का एग्जांपल लिया है क्योंकि प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑल नहीं लेकिन ज़्यादातर बैक्टीरियाज को ही काउंट किया जाता है. इनकी फ्लैजलम होती है. फ्लैजलम मीन्स इट्स वर्क लाइक अ टेल. सो दिस हेल्प इन द मूवमेंट फॉर बैक्टीरियाज. And this one is cytoplasm. As I before told you that cytoplasm is present in both type of cells, prokaryotic as well as in eukaryotic cell. Now plasmid have a specific character. Yes, this is also very important point. It is resistant towards antibiotic. हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि बैक्टीरिया इतनी जल्दी इवॉल्व कैसे कर लेते हैं, ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्लाज्मिड. अगर सेल का डीएनए भी खत्म हो जाता है तब भी वो सर्वाइव कर सकती है विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्लाज्मिड. ओके, मे बी दिस इज यूजफुल फॉर यू एंड यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इट टू योर siblings also. When we talk about organelles, so for as name of organelle in prokaryotic cell only ribosome is present. Now let's look towards this structure. What does it show? It shows that some foldings are there. There is some foldings, right? See, these foldings are there. Now, what is these? These are extension in the or enfolding in the membrane of the prokaryotic cell. They are very useful for prokaryotic cell because if they want to perform any function, there is no organelle present in them. तो इनकी जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन है वही ज़्यादातर सारे वर्क को परफॉर्म करती है. इफ़ दे वांट टू रिमूव एनीथिंग फ्रॉम देयर बॉडी तो मीजोजोम्स जो उनकी सेल वॉल में मतलब उनकी जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन में इनफोल्डिंग्स हुई हैं वही उन्हें हेल्प करेगी रिमूव करने के लिए. ओके, सो mesosomes are very important thing. This question may arise that where mesosomes are present and what is its function, why it is important for prokaryotic cell. Okay guys, listen. प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में ऑर्गेनेल्स नहीं होती हैं, मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड ऑर्गेनेल्स, तो जितने भी वर्क होते हैं ज़्यादातर वो प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल के मीजोजोम करती है. ओके, वेल देयर इज ऑल्सो वन थिंग इज दैट cell envelope. Cell envelope means when we talk about any cell, so it is made up of a membrane, not only from a single membrane, there may be more membranes. In prokaryotic cells, this happens. Its cell consists 3 cells, which is made up of, first one is made up of glycocalyx, cell wall and plasma membrane. What is the function of glycocalyx? Glycocalyx is very useful for prokaryotics to withstand them or to prevent them from harsh chemicals. Okay? हम हमेशा सुनते हैं कि बैक्टीरियाज हाई टेम्परेचर पर भी मिल रहे हैं, बैक्टीरियाज एसिड में भी मिल रहे हैं, बैक्टीरियाज एल्कली में भी मिल रहे हैं. This also happens because the presence of glycocalyx on their outermost layer. And after that, cell wall is present, and after that, plasma membrane. Okay, about cell wall and plasma membrane, I have already told you, but let me repeat it again. Cell wall protection provide करती है और plasma membrane substance के transformation में help करती है prokaryotes की. Okay, fine. I hope you like it. So just please gain some knowledge from it. Thank you.